trying to save a dead deal.
Oh no.
We're supposed to fund this guy's deal in 7 days. He just decided to cancel randomly. We already have an appraisal, came in at value. ARV is 240 grand. It came in at 240 grand. Contractor's bid came in lower than what we had projected. It's one of our deals delivered.
Oh, more profit then. That's awesome.
Yeah, exactly. So the deal's better than we had presented it as being. But for whatever reason, he got cold feet. And about an hour ago, I guess, I sent an email out to other investors letting them know that this guy flaked. And I just got a text from a guy that wants the deal.
Oh, that's awesome.
Cool. So I'm just texting the guys in the office. You gotta love, like, I use Slack.
Yeah.
It's a really great thing. So I can communicate with everyone in the office, and they're giving me his contact information because I didn't have his phone number.
That's fantastic. How much time from the time it was canceled, the time you got right into the next deal? How much time went by?
I'll say an hour and a half. I don't know.
That is amazing. It was already a pre-approved, profitable deal, and he just kind of got cold feet.
I don't know. Sometimes people flake. They get nervous. They're indecisive. They whatever.
They thought they had money, and they didn't have money.
No, he's got money. No, he's totally qualified.
Really?
A lot of people just don't have the stomach for it, or they just second guess themselves.
Yeah.
They can appraisals in place, contractors' figures are in place, all the profit projections have been analyzed.
It would have been perfect. Yeah. It would have been great.
Homes are selling in less than a week in this market.
Oh,
I got
perfect.
5 comps, and yet, for whatever reason, maybe there's a legitimate reason.
But it definitely has a happy ending. Now, I notice your home office here is quite beautiful. Do you want to tell us about that? Do you want to tell us about where you are?
My home office. Thank you, Apple.
And are you hiring?
Yeah. No, it's more. It's great. It's not that I'm stressed at the moment because I got to solve for this because, the agent's going to lose commission. Obviously, I earn a commission, so there's no time to dilly dally. But yeah, the home office is damn nice.
It's
and
damn beautiful.
I'm very happy for Slack and Apple and a great team. Everything's possible with a great team.
Well, I better let you get back to work.
Yeah, I got to call this guy.
Okay. Go save that deal.
I'm going to.